Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you inside an interior room on the Carnival Panorama, specifically room 3209. This is a fantastic interior cabin, so let's dive right in. First impressions, this room feels incredibly spacious for an interior cabin. Right away, you'll notice the comfortable king-size bed. There are two nightstands, each with its own lamp, which is super convenient. And check this out. There's a light switch right here that controls all the overhead lights above the headboard, perfect for reading in bed. With the king configuration, there's plenty of walking space around the bed, which makes it feel really spacious. Keep in mind, this bed can also be split into two twins, which opens up the floor space quite a bit and makes the room feel even more airy. Quick side note, a common cruise cabin detail, there are no electrical outlets or USB ports directly next to the bed, so you'll need to do your charging elsewhere and ask for an extension cord for your CPAP machine. Now, as we pan across the bed, you'll see this fantastic counter space below the TV. There are large shelves offering plenty of storage for all your belongings. And tucked away in one of the cabinets is a cooler, which is a nice touch for keeping your drinks chilled. Seriously, there's so much storage in here, you won't have any trouble unpacking. And finally, to the right here, we have the vanity. This is a real highlight. It features a beautifully backlit mirror, which is great for getting ready. You've got a few drawers here, and in one of them, you'll find your hairdryer. But most importantly, for all your changing needs, this vanity is equipped with two USB-A outlets, two standard US electrical outlets, and one European outlet. Moving on, let's look at the closets. The first bay has shelving, the safe, and some drawers. The second bay is dedicated to hanging clothes and has a full-length mirror on the door. For your luggage, you can easily store suitcases in the closet or tuck them away under the bed. And finally, the restroom. It's standard cruise line sized, but well equipped. The shower has handy hanging clothesline and adjustable shower head and comes stocked with shampoo and shower gel. There are safety bars in both the shower and next to the toilet. Over the sink, you have 6 shelves for toiletries, a magnifying mirror, a large sink countertop, and even a few storage spaces underneath. Overall, interior room 3209 on the Carnival Panorama is a surprisingly roomy and well-equipped cabin. If you're considering an interior on this ship, this one should definitely be on your short list. I also have videos of other room types on the Carnival Panorama, so be sure to click the links in the description if you want to compare different cabins. Before you go, if this video helped you out, could you tap that like button? It really helps more cruisers find the channel, and it means a lot to me. And if you haven't yet, come join the Simply Cruising crew. There are plenty more videos coming to help you plan the cruise you truly deserve. If you're ready to book your next adventure, or you've already booked in the last 90 days and want to transfer your reservation, I'd love to be your travel partner. I work to get my clients those little extras, onboard perks, credits, and that special touch that turns a good vacation into a great one. There's no cost to you, just personalized service from someone who genuinely loves cruising and helping you make the most of it. You'll find the link to book with me or transfer your reservation right there in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next horizon.